Welcome to refined Colorado luxury living. This neighborhood called Spring Lake is located right next to the Broadmoor. You could actually walk from here. The main level has been renovated. It is beautiful, open, and so welcoming. Welcome to 147 Miramar Drive. You'll find 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, an upstairs versatile loft, and it's quiet near restaurants, trails, and so many activities. I'm so excited to show you around this beautiful home. The main level is perfect for entertaining. It has been completely remodeled and opened up so that it's nice and open to entertain guests, family, and friends. I love how the kitchen has been renovated as far as new counters, cabinets. You've got a countertop seating in the island, large dining room, which then flows to the family room and fireplace. From this level, you can access 2 outdoor patio areas as well, so it's easy to enjoy Colorado living year-round. The primary suite is conveniently located on the main floor right off the front door. The suite is large, spacious. There's 2 separate closets and a large primary bath, complete with a soaking tub. Soaring ceilings and abundant natural light lead us upstairs. On the upper level, you'll find a very spacious bedroom and a full bathroom. Additionally, this fantastic bonus room has so many uses. It could be an office, a study, a hobby room, a workout room. It even has a fireplace. The lower level is spacious and offers so many options for use. There's room for family seating, for games, entertainment, hobbies. There's even an additional bedroom and bathroom, which is perfect for company and family. This low-maintenance community makes it easy for you to get out and play more. Imagine a 5-minute walk to 5-star world-famous Broadmoor Hotel or over to Big Stratmoor Reserve. It's close to Cheyenne District, 12 schools, multiple trails and parks, incredible shopping, multiple military bases, and great restaurants near downtown and Ivywild area. This beautiful home is truly a rare find, allowing you to simply move in and start enjoying that lifestyle you dream of.